And first this midday, the attorneys for the man charged with killing Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi filed documents claiming members of a white nationalist group are to blame for the girls' deaths. Now, this new explosive details made public this morning. WRTV's Rafael Sanchez has been following this case since 2017. Just to put that into perspective, a lot here, Rafael.
Richard Allen has been in custody now for nearly a year. As you may recall, he was arrested in October of 2022 and later charged with the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German.
So we're looking at some of the new court documents from Allen's legal team. They raised some new allegations about who killed the girls.
136 pages. The legal team is claiming that a white nationalist group called the Ordinists is responsible for the girls' death. The defense says the group is made up of men from Delphi and Rushville, that the men left behind ritualistic markings made up of tree branches that can actually be seen in the crime scene pictures in the hands of the authorities. Allen's lawyer claims that the state police and the Carroll County Prosecutor's Office were aware of the white supremacy angle but moved on when other tips came in. But the attorneys say, look, you didn't share this information with us until just recently, in fact, until September the 8th. Allen's lawyers are expressing concerns to the judge that this information was not disclosed to them in time.
So the prosecution, though, they're confident in their case. They have evidence against Allen, right?
Look, the attorneys for Richard Allen have one job, Lauren, and their job is to get him out of jail, right? And so they're going to try to build their case and file new information. But the prosecution also has information on their side. They have, through a search warrant, they obtained a jacket and boots from Allen's property that are very similar to the image recorded on Libby's cell phone of the guy on that bridge that he was wearing on the day that the girls disappeared. They also have recovered a gun. Authorities also have a bullet that allegedly connects Allen to the murders. And based on the facts presented in their filing, the defense claims that the search warrant served on Richard Allen's property was defective. That's their claim now. They're asking for what is called a Franks hearing now that they have this new information. If they can convince a judge that the search warrant is illegal, then all of the items, the gun, the jacket, the boots, can no longer be admissible in the investigation. But first, there must be a hearing, right? So again, we have two sides with two loads of information. The question which to believe, at some point, a jury will have to decide which information is correct.
Right, and real quick, Rafael, in these documents, it details a little bit more about why they want Allen moved out of that facility.
And so Allen currently is at the Westville facility. They believe that some of the correctional guards, officers are members of this Ordinist group, this white supremacy group. They believe that he's in danger, so they want to move. Again, another issue that the judge will have to consider in the days to come. As you can imagine, our team is working through all these pages and multiple filings that we received today. You can find all of our coverage right now online at WRTV.com. Of course, we'll have all the latest for you tonight at 5 and 6, and tomorrow morning on Good Morning Indiana.
Well, thank you for digging through all that for us. Keep us posted on what you find.